Wait. Burke it now. Trouble. Take him down. Burke it now, no trouble. Is it? Bahala, tinabuhay. Get pick, you know? Get pick. Bomba, Burke it, well done, boy. Yeah, man, Omar Ellen.
Now you scored the winner. The youth went there.
Yeah, man.
And 2 years ago, hey, you know
No, yeah, 2021 that man.
2021?
Yeah. Versus JC. Versus Georges, yeah, man. Upper Calabar, yeah, man. Yeah?
So I hey, if that one side that we go 7
Burke it. Bomba, sir, Burke it. That's a big save.
Watch them in our match over here, so they must struggle. Even though them say, some you never get them back.
This? Good defending, man. Get picked. Pull him back.
Saturday gone, before me to leave. I look for about the first 10 minutes. Calabar. I went to the field.
1 and 2 towns will have good field. This is problematic, you know. Well done, well done, well done. Nice. Patient. Ball up, boy. Good work, boy. Good work. Well done, defender.
Kill him confident.
Ball, boy. Watch out. Normal ball. 6.
You're number 6. The man when you have to play number 6. I lose the man. Time I say, brother. So when I say, if you want a man to play on the ball, you know, can use a defender and a goal then for me say goalkeeping, you know. Stopping the ball and going in the net at the first option, you know. And then playing with the ball is the second. It's just like what we get them say.
Big save. Good try.
Just like what
Paul referee. Yes.
Me no need something, me no need nobody.
Mr. I'm getting kicked too.
I used to use what they must call it. They used to call it gimping. One thing is,
I can pass the ball to Fred. Ball game, man. Good build up play. Oh,
but the big ball around that never got through the one shot.
up on the break, touch heavy. Foul. And foul a referee? Supposed to lead to a goal now. Work it. On top. Sorry, boy. I win a free kick. Work it now. Bad ball. Yeah, but he breeze. That he breeze a whole ball. Well done, keeper. Ball boy. Work it. On that side. Good safe keeper.
All right, Marcel Gale. Tougher game than you thought here playing at home against this Waterford team.
To God be the glory. The job has completed. You know, we're here to get 3 points today, and all I take today, we get 3 points.
And the runner play over the 2 halves, please. What you're not pleased with?
I mean, we're all right. I mean, the objective today was to go there and win. I mean, we could have been a little bit more fortuitous in terms of in front of the goal. We could have made better decisions. But nevertheless, I mean, you know, we still have a way to go.
You still keep your undefeated target that you want. Keep that right through the season. You'll be lifting the trophy back to St. George's College.
You know, we always try to be humble. But yes, but we take it one game at a time going forward.
Let's go.
Kevin Reid.
Kevin Reid, how you are?
Coach of Waterford High School.
Tough game, you lost 3 in the first at home. A tougher game here for the team, so a lot more fight than the first one.
Yeah, indeed it was a tough game, but we turned up today, we came to play. However, you know, I'm not a person who is to blame official, but I believe poor officiating today deny us a point of this game today. You know, I believe, you know, they got a penalty in the first minute, but within the same first half, I believe we also deserve a penalty. You know, a player got pushed inside the box and, you know, the referee ruled it a no penalty, which we believe it should have been a penalty.
But you were competitive throughout the 90 minutes. How pleased are you with the positive?
Yeah, you know, these boys can play. You know, we have a very good team, you know. We have a very good team. Once they're motivated, they will give any good team a fight. And they show up today and show that, look here, they can match George's, you know, 50-50, man-to-man.
Well, and it's not curtain for you yet. You still have a few days to go.
No, you know, it's not curtain for us because we have 2 easier games coming up. You know, winning those 2, I believe, you know, should put us at least even for a 3rd place position.
Kevin Reid,
Coach Waterford.
all right.